X-ray detection is a fast-growing inspection method used in the food, pharmaceutical, and packaging industries. Loma's X-ray systems can help detect physical contaminants such as metal, glass, bone, ceramic, stone, and dense plastic in food and other products. Our X-ray inspection systems help ensure products are safe for consumption and safe for operators. Loma X-ray systems are tough, robust, and reliable in food production and other industrial environments. They adapt to a variety of inspection needs with multiple inspection algorithms, as well as unique adaptive array technology. And they're easy to operate. Loma's X-ray systems have a low cost of ownership compared to competing brands. And we offer outstanding aftermarket service. Our field service engineers are strategically located near customers to respond to service calls quickly. We have equipment suitable for a variety of applications. To learn more about how our X-ray inspection systems can help protect your brand, please visit our website or contact us.